and the Trucks. Thomas used to grumble in the shed at night. "I'm tired of pushing coaches. I want to see the world." The others didn't take much notice, for Thomas was a little engine with a long tongue. But one night, Edward came into the shed. He was a kind little engine, and he felt sorry for Thomas. "Thomas, I've got some trucks to take home tomorrow. If you take them instead, I'll push the coaches to the yard." "Thank you, Edward. That will be nice." So they asked their drivers next day if they could change, and the drivers said, "Well, yes." And Thomas ran off happily to find the trucks. Now, trucks are silly and noisy. They talk a lot and don't attend to what they're doing. They don't listen to their engine. Whatever is happening? And I'm sorry to say they play tricks on an engine who's not used to them. Edward knew all about trucks, and he warned Thomas to be careful. But Thomas was too excited to listen. The shunter fastened the coupling, and the signal dropped. Thomas was ready. But the trucks weren't ready. Wait, Thomas, wait. Come on. And the trucks grumbled slowly out of the siding onto the main line. Come along. All right, don't fuss. Steady now, Thomas. Steady. And he shut off the steam and began to put on the brakes. We're stopping. No. Go on. Stop pushing. Oh, I must stop.
Thomas, what are you doing here,
Well, I've brought Edward's trucks.
Oh, why did you come so fast?
Well, I didn't mean to. I was pushed.
Pushed? Haven't you pulled trucks before?
No.
Then you've a lot to learn about trucks, little Thomas. They're silly things and must be kept in their place. After pushing them about here for a few weeks, you'll know almost as much about them as Edward. Then you'll be a really useful engine.